Builderall may at times look like an MLM. It certainly attracts a lot of people who are into MLM because they understand the value and the power of digital marketing. But Builderall is not an MLM. That's because with Builderall, there are only 2 levels of affiliate compensation. Therefore, the emphasis is not on getting a lot of people, but getting the right people. You want people who are going to actually use and work the platform. It should be relatively easy to find. After all, every family has at least one entrepreneur, and that person might just be you.